Namaskar friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. In this video, we will have our discussion on the most important planet which could be responsible for giving information regarding your personality, regarding your professional choices. So that is something which we will try to understand in this video. So friends, like the way you know this thing that whichsoever topic I talk on my videos, I always give you a background that what inspired me to make a video on this topic. So I was just going through different channels on YouTube. So I came across this video where this learned astrologer, he was emphasizing on this fact that if you actually want to understand that which planet could be responsible for your good luck in life, so that can be determined on the basis of that on which day of the week you are born. So like we can connect planets with the days of the week as well. So someone who is born on the Monday, so this astrologer gave prominence and he linked in those situations moon to be an important planet for someone born on the Monday. For someone who is born on the Wednesday, so that means Mercury becomes an important planet for that person. So friends, like just because it's not only the point of view of this astrologer, I've also come across a lot many astrologers who also say this thing that in whichever hora of the day of the hour you are born, that planet plays a very important role in your life. But somehow I beg to differ over here that if you actually want to extract some information from numerology, like you do not have to have a very strong knowledge of numerology to understand this concept, which I will be connecting very soon. So like the way you must have heard that in numerology there are certain numbers which plays a very important role. For example, the life path number. So if you will make a sum total of your month of birth, date of birth and year of birth, and you will reduce it to a single digit, so that is the life path number which can tell you about the direction of your life. Like the way we monitor the ascendant lord's placement in our ascendant chart. And some people say that your destiny number, which you calculate via making a sum total of your complete name. So that tells about the kind of environment and opportunities on which we will operate in this lifetime. So friends, what I have found in my research is that out of all these numbers, it's your birth date number which actually play a very important role. And trust me, it's like, okay, I'm a kind of person, I get along very well with people in the Venusian field. And you know that from numerology, numbers like number 6, number 15, number 24, is controlled by the planet Venus. So I actually get along very well with people who are born on these dates. And even when I go into the analysis of the details of the consultations which I receive, so a lot many times I have seen this thing that all the birth details which I receive where people are born in these dates. Let's take up the example of someone born on 15th of any month. Now, irrespective of the fact that this person does not have Venus rising in the Lagna, a sign ruled by the planet Venus, which is Taurus or Libra. Neither Venus is placed in the first house, nor the person has got his or her moon sign to be Taurus or Libra, but the person is actually engaged in the profession being controlled by the planet Venus. Like this person is working as a graphic designer, working full-time as an actor. And I can even give you example of let's take up the case of Indian yoga guru Ram Dev ji. So as you can see that he is born on December 25th. So if you will make a sum total of the birth date, that will give you the resulting number as the 7, a number of Ketu. And he is known for his yoga teachings. And even if you will have a look at his Lagan chart, you can fairly see that Ketu is very strongly placed in the 5th house, because for yoga, for meditation, for mantra sadhana, we give attention to the 5th house. So you can fairly see that the birth date number governed planet is not only responsible for his profession, his professional choices, his personality, his public image, but that planet is also placed in the house which is responsible for his complete life. And guys, if I have to give my own reference as well, so I am born on 10th, right? So if you will see that 1 plus 0 will give the number 1 as the resulting number, which is being ruled by the planet Sun. In my case, Sun is placed in my 10th house. Sun is also my Atma Karaka planet as well. And even if you will go deep in the analysis of the birth date number only, like number 10, so 1 plus 0, so 1 means ups and 0 means down, up and down. And see, even in my case, my ascendant lord is placed in the 8th house, and if your ascendant lord is in the 8th house, your life tend to remain very transformative. So yes guys, if I have to attach importance to one planet, so I would say that more than the hora on which you are born, or your complete life path number and other essential details, because I'm very much sure when you are talking to a layman, so not many people have this knowledge of what is your moon nakshatra, or what is your ascendant, where is the ascendant lord placed, but everyone knows about their date of birth. And I'm very much sure that a lot many people have got idea about the numbers and their connection with the planets. Like number 1 is connected with the sun, number 2 is connected with moon. So in whichsoever date you are born, so the extract of this video or this discussion is that now you have to share your experience. Now whether it's your own life, your family members, or your close friends, you have to actually see the kind of role which their birth date number planet is playing in their life. Because I'm very much sure that if you follow my videos, so you must have got good knowledge of astrology as well. So let's say for example, if you are actually born on the 15th of any month, I'm very much sure a lot many people on my this community will have a strong Venus. So if you are born on the 15th of any month, so what is the role which Venus is playing in your life? Like, is Venus your ascendant lord? Is your moon sign being controlled by Venus? Or is Venus your Atma Karaka? It's your Amatya Karaka, or your profession is connected with the Venus. So whatsoever your experiences are connected with your birth date vibration, do share in the comment box. It is a kind of a research platform which will actually help all of us. So guys, yes, this was just a basic overview, and I do not want to end this video on this note that all those people who do not have much idea about numerology, so I do not want to leave you guys perplexed. So now after this, we will have a quick discussion on understanding all the birth date vibrations in very short. So let's say for example, for all those people who are born on the 1st of any month, 10th of any month, 19th of any month, and 28th of any month. So that means Sun becomes a very important planet for you. So now I don't care whether Sun in your case, like if you have got the knowledge of astrology and you know that which all houses Sun is ruling, what is the dignity of Sun in your case, but overall and in a nutshell, this can be said with confidence that the mantras connected with the planet Sun, the gods connected with the planet Sun, or the accessories connected with the planet Sun will definitely prove to be very, very auspicious for you. Now guys, for all those people who are born on the 2nd of any month, or you're born on the 11th of any month, 20th of any month, or even if you are born on the 29th of any month, so that means your birth date connected planet is Moon. Now Moon becomes a very important planet for you. So doing remedies for the planet Moon, wearing the colors connected with Moon, or consuming the food connected with Moon, or the gemstones connected with Moon will always prove to be very auspicious or favorable for you. And also guys, I also want to highlight one thing over here, that also the people, the real life people connected with these planets will also become very important in your case. Like a Moon represents mother, so you have to remain and you have to establish good relation with your mother if you actually want to succeed in all areas of your life. After that guys, number 3 also becomes like important for all those people who are born on the 3rd of any month, 12th of any month, or 21st of any month, or 30th of any month. So that means planet Jupiter, which is connected with the number 3, will become very important for you. Now it hardly matters whether Jupiter is your ascendant lord, your moon sign lord, it is placed in the 10th house, or wheresoever it is placed, but this planet, the colors associated with it, the gemstone, the food items, all the entities connected with this planet, even the worship of the gods connected with this planet, will prove to be very auspicious, very favorable for you. And when we talk about the real life people, so definitely guys, all the advisors, mentors, people connected with religion and spiritual authorities will definitely become very important for you. After that, if you are born on the 4th of any month, 13th of any month, 22nd of any month, or 31st of any month, so that means Rahu will play a very important role in your case. So the gemstone, the colors, mantras connected with this number will actually play a very pivotal role. And definitely guys, we cannot even undermine the fact that when Rahu comes down to giving material success, it can give you success of the highest order. Like even in the chart of like if we will even take up the case of the spiritual figures as well, so even Sri Ravi Shankar ji, he is born on the 13th of I forgot the month, but he is also born on the 13th. So see, when it comes down to give the power or fame, recognition, it can give you of the highest order with the supporting factors. So which means all the color remedies and the gods like Kal Bhairava is specifically worshipped or attached with the number 4 vibration. So that will become very important for you. Now you have to share your own experience in the comment section, that if you're born on the 4th or 13th or 22nd, where Rahu is placed in your natal chart, and are you connected with the profession of Rahu, or in any way does Rahu play a very pivotal role in your personality, in your personality traits? So that you have to share in the comment section. After that guys, when we talk about number 5, so definitely if you're born on the 5th of any month, you're born on the 14th of any month, or 23rd of any month, so that means Mercury is your important planet. So remedies connected with Mercury, gemstones, colors, and the gods, worship of the gods connected with Mercury, which is Lord Ganesha and Lord Vishnu, will prove to be very, very beneficial, very favorable for you. For all those people who are born on the 6th of any month, 15th of any month, or like 24th of any month, so you know, a white color, light pinkish color, worship of feminine divine, or we say that specifically cows in India, in our Sanatan Dharma culture. So doing service to the cows will also prove to be very, very auspicious, favorable for you, and you have to demonstrate very respectful attitude towards woman, towards the feminine energies. After that guys, when we talk about number 7, so if you're born on the 7th of any month, or 16th of any month, or 25th of any month, so that means Ketu becomes a very important planet in your life. Now wheresoever Ketu is going to be placed in your chart, some sort of your destiny or destined events will definitely take place in your life, and the worship of the God, Lord Ganesha, or adding the colors and gemstones and mantras connected with Ketu will prove to be very beneficial for you. It can actually give you success, recognition, can make you perfectionist. After that guys, all those people who are born on the 8th of any month, or you are born on the 17th of any month, or 26th of any month, so that means Saturn becomes a very auspicious or an important planet for you. So any of the chanting of the mantras connected with Saturn, doing donations on the day connected with Saturn, which is Saturday, and even when we talk about the real life people, so your paternal uncles are straight away connected with Saturn. All those people who are working as menial wage workers, they are also connected with the planet Saturn. So being very respectful towards them, working hard, and increasing the energy of the planet Saturn can be a very good success contributor in your life. And lastly guys, for all those people who are born on the 9th of any month, 18th of any month, or 27th of any month, so planet Mars becomes a very important planet in your case. So worship of Lord Hanuman adding the red color in your wardrobe, doing the Bij mantra, chanting, recitation connected with the planet Mars will become very auspicious, very favorable for you. So okay guys, this was just a basic overview, because I keep on coming across where different astrologers in the community, they keep on attaching importance to different pillars of the astrological or different occult sciences. But I would say that more than the hora or the day, it's the birth date number. Over here, even a lot many people say that life path number is very important, but again, life path number could be seen as like your ascendant lord's placement, your life's direction, but your actual life is your lagan. And from the numerology details, your birth date number and the planet connected with it plays a very important role. I've been seeing that in lot many charts which I study for research, because guys, the moment you have to start working on someone's details, chart never opens up in front of you like this. You have to first key in the details, and the moment I have to key in the details, the first thing is the date of birth. So over there only I somehow get in that alarm mode that okay, this person is born on a number controlled by the Venus or a number controlled by the Mars. Let's see once the chart gets opened up where Mars is placed, where Venus is placed. So try to look at it from this angle and do share your views on the comment section. So this is something guys which I wanted to say as a part of my inputs. For further more updates and notifications on the divine science of Vedic astrology, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. Dhanyavad.